Kublai pi barwa ngi pedang sngop hai pi shigutup kubar mentaga janmit. Shwaban pai shki kubar ki babanya ngini pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Shen ansa sedang mo kedukam di dawyong bertemai lembat ki bai kilat kamai ong menteri rang ba kejela ukan rat ki sangma. Pensiluruh Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ubak polling do yaki nong trei bakin ai ke jing syakri bab hatam ha ke imlang salang. Penlong ke Menteri Ketenat Kokoi Kekia ke zonal meeting bakin nong trei Ketenat Health, Agriculture and Horticulture but Research Department happening art ke district jong ke Jaintia Hills. Bat mi ke jing huri hura hapdeng ki arkan hon halai infra biang din ki pai ba ya ka kali bulit ki khubor ki babnya Menteri rang ba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma ulayat hu ba ka jingti dewyong ka bathmai kan sasdang no ashen bat kumjo ki bai pat kilat kamai kin sasdang ban pau ha kaliang karep karyang lani ha kaliang ki kam jungo kai habat pen pau ha kilat pathai khubor ha kasngi pale ha mariat ulo ong baki breu kila bun kam ha ka jingti ye ki mau po khndo la kumba ars pasnem barula kdo shai bakan sawan ka rukam pen bethmai ka ban yai sa junom da ka bawan ra ki policy trekam ki bathmai ha ka rukam ti bat ru ban kan tiu ye ki wei pat ki kam ki balong kalat ban kamai usang mau lo ong ru ban ka liang ka sarkar ka khmi lenti ban pendan kam da ki drone na ka benta ban bishar bnya ya ka rukam ti dawyong ha ka jula
NGT did what was their mandate. But at the end of the day, all I'm saying is that all of these kind of decisions need to be taken in the form of a transition aspect also. So the way I would have looked at it would have been that I would see 5 years as a period where we stop certain activities, and another 5 years to transit into new technology, and another 5 years maybe to stop everything completely. So you have to allow the transition to take place in a justified manner, and that's what we felt was missing to some extent, and was very sudden for people. They woke up next morning and what they've been doing for 200 years was said that, well, you can no longer do it. So obviously there are implications of that, and there are challenges of it.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba polling do ulali jungo ya ka West Khasi Hills District hakasngi pale na ka bentaban penslor ban ai mensiem yaki nong trei jong Ketenat Social Welfare bakin long ki batrei shitom na do mensiem haka emlang salang hakane ka program lai dan lang u Deputy Commissioner u Superintendent of Police ka Director jong Ketenat Social Welfare lembat ki wei ki officer ki dukhat na ki self help group Batkin nong trei aganwadi haba ajing kren ha te gasngi uba polling do ulakan tu yaki nong trei bakin trei da kaman snob ha om kum ki shipai uba ling do ulo omru baka Meghalaya kalong ka jela ka baduk bat kamla ban pen biang ya baro ki jington kam tikum taw lakan tu yaki nong trei bakin long ki batrei met bat mensiem haki kam bala ben shat haki bat ban long baro bor ki ba emsngi ban ai ka jing shakri ba bhatam na ka benta ki pai ba Kementerian Ketenat Kokoi Kekia karep karyang bat horticulture ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo kala penlong ye kejingalang bat Ketenat Kokoi Kekia karep karyang bat horticulture Ketenat Research jong baro ar ki district ki bahajain tia hills haka conference room jong ka shlem tray kam ka soil and water conservation ka baha mi mentudu West Jaintia Hills na ka benta ban emerging mut lang halor ka jingko jingkia bat ru ban bishar bnya haka bayadei bat ki project hakini ki district ka Dr. Amperin kila penlong ru ia jingalang bar ki MLA ki medical officer na ka benta ban emerging mutlang halor ka koi ka khia kala yo ru ban ekran bar ki nong dong trei jong ka koi ka khia khanang ban sung thu ia jinglong jingman ha ka rukom ai jing sumar ki nong pang hadien ka kong lingdo kala shong jingalang ru bar ki officer Ketenat horticulture agriculture but research district and local research station but laboratory jong baro ar ki district na ka benta ban penyat bet ya baro ki project hakini ki district Menteri Kabinet ke jela uba AL hek uloong bakinu kinu ki an ki belong persha e kanu ki emlang salang leni kaniam om dei ban pen sapriang uloong bakum unang yalam jong ka seng san perthei bat kum udukhat ka seng BJP uloong bakinu kinu ki kendon an ki belong persha e ke emlang salang leni kaniam Day ban ailat baru ong bakani kadang kloy palat ban penpau hakabaya day bar ke UCC namar ki riu shampang kidang persyang ban bishar benya halor ki kenduan an ki ban sapentrekam hapok kari. Hakabaya day bar ke jing penpau do Vice President keseng BJP Bernard Marak ula ajing kersyane ke UCC uba hek ula ong ba baro ki brio ki dan laki jong ki jing ajing mun.
Everybody has giving theirs. They are doing the experts committee are working to see how it can be feasible or not feasible to introduce the UCC in the state of in our country. Until unless now, let us do it first, all the groundwork. Then only after that we can give the opinion. But according to me, as of now, we should not be anything against any religion, any community, any human being.
Shisngi hadian baka Shongkonor jong reservation committee ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala pentip baki bomday na kikin hun seng sain perthai kila pha ikijing ajing mut hakabaya day baka jing thaw ya ka expert committee ki ban bishar banya ek reservation policy umentri cabinet uba al hek hakasngi palay yathu banakalyang ka seng BJP na Meghalaya kala day banya kren halor kaniga benta hapok ka seng barkala dep ban ay ikijing ajing mut halor ka reservation policy ula benrap ru dakabaong baki khot kila ay ikijing ajing mut Jongki shakaseng but kaseng kasapha yakijing ajing mut shakasor kajala.
The opinion of our party for the reservation policy, we have been discussed in the platform of the Chief Minister. We have the same opinion only we have as per that 100 points from where we are going to start from that 21. And the same opinion only. So it should go on the roster basis.
Ka North Eastern Health University Students Union nehusu kala dorkas show menteri ketnat boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal ban pensangya ya gajing penlip boarding ha kapor balong examin. Kani husu kala pentip bakidang dan mentah padeng gajing le ek examin ka bakhadu barkan kut hadu unailar. Kajing ai beteng gajing penlip boarding ha kapor menmet ka pentut ya gajing penkrea ek examin.
Government can stop the load shedding for the Champions League. They can also stop for this duration of exams so that the students can be able to do well in these examinations and also to prepare well. And also, as we know that the education sector in Meghalaya has gone down, the Nehu ranking has also gone down. So with the help of the stopping of the load shedding, we can ensure that the education sector will go up again.
Kajing kulmar kalami hapadeng arkan hun ki pajba halai umkra shillong hakaporshi baje negastem. Katkum ka kaipot yathu bakajing kulmar hapadeng kini ki arkan hun kalajia hajan ka office DHS. Hakabaki paj bhor kila wyangding artli ki kali barkawai ka thuk halai umkra beat house. Imentri balongru MLA kathan ikong Amprin Lingdo ilong badai ban tokit ikipaj ba ki badan kti hagani ke jingjia. Dakaba benrap bakamshim ladon kanu ke jingkul mar judgment rio Henry ka ladon ke jingkul mar hapdeng artli ki kenhon ki bawan ni ki benta paper ikong Amprin ilaong baki pulit ki ladon hakte ke jaka khnang man penjai jai ya ke jinglong jingman.
Every evening, this is the same problem that's happening in Kandailar. These brawls that are happening in these popular areas where young people like to hang out is not giving us peace. Law shall be supreme, and anyone who is responsible for any wrong action has to be taken to task, and further on inquiries will give us more information. Fortunately, Limecraft Police Station Beat House is fully under CCTV surveillance.
Mentapan nginya pej ke jinglong jingman ka sin beneng hashulong. Kajing shed kalong arpusau point lai degree Celsius but kajing kriat kalong kat perha point r degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong kandai puwei nak shis pa men step but nyo puwei nak shis pa janmit. Kajing hap slap kalong sau point r millimeter kala bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malumala haki babun ki jaka. Shwaban poi ka bukut jeng thup khubor ngin pet biang sai sisiani kimat bakongsan. Shen onsas dang no ka rukam ti dau yong ka batmai le bat kiwei kilat kamai ongom tri rang bat jelau kan rat pisama. Penseluruh Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare wa polling do ikinong tre. Bakin ai kajing syakri wa bhatam hak imlang salang. Penlong Menteri Ketenat Kokoi Kekia at a zonal meeting with Penlong Tre Ketenat Health, Agriculture and Horticulture but Research Department happening our district, Jongkijante Hills. But me kajing huri hura happening our kanhon halain kra biang ding kipai ba yakakali kulit. Di perlok de kitu ki kubor ngila poi sya bakut jong thup kubor jong i menta ka janmit hadu bangi de syambiang bat phila shai kasngi kublai phi baro
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का